Gbangban tó máa sọ pé tuntun ti dé o, tuntun ti dé Isnad Homes and Properties. Ọ̀kan nínú àwọn estate wa tuntun tá a fi lọ́lẹ̀ tá ń launch là ń pè ní Oakwood Estate. Tèmi ti yín tòótọ́, ó wà níbi tó lọ́jọ́ iwájú gan-an ni. Ẹ láǹfààní láti ralẹ̀ síbẹ̀. A ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣàgbéta ẹ̀ ni. A pè ní Oakwood Estate. ₦950,000 péré lẹ́ẹ̀ fi rà á láàárín àsìkò yìí títí di 15th October 2024. Ẹ rí i pé àǹfààní dé báyìí kẹ́ ẹ tètè dìímú. Àwọn ibo ló wà nítòsí àti agbègbè náà? Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, ó wà ní tòsí Foursquare Camp. Ó súnmọ́ Macpherson University. Ó wà ní òpópónà Èkó sílùú Ìbàdàn, Lagos Ìbàdàn Expressway. Kò ju 3 minutes drive lọ. Ìrọ̀rùn ló bá dé. Tètè rà á lásìkò yìí torí tó bá fi di October 15, ó tún máa sún sókè. Kẹ́ ẹ tún gbọ́, C of O rẹ̀, ó wà in view. Ìyẹn fi hàn wípé tí ẹ bá tètè rà báyìí, ìgbà tí gbogbo ẹ̀ bá tún gbẹ́nu sókè, ẹ̀yin ti ní ń bẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ ralẹ̀ sí Isnad Estate lónìí torí ọ̀la.
Hello everyone. This is another opportunity for you to partner with Isnad Homes and Properties. Here, I'm bringing to you the Oakwood Estate, located right here in Alapako community, right in the heart of Obafemi Owode local government of Ogun State, Nigeria. Here, we are having the pre-launch price, which goes for 950,000 naira. Can you beat that? This property has close proximity with Foursquare Gospel Campground and Macpherson University. It also has a good road network. The title on this property is Register Survey and C of O in view. Plot sizes selling here are 300 square meters, 500 square meters, and 600 square meters. For more information on this property, contact the number showing on the screen and also visit our website and our social media handles. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here I am again in the heart of Ogun State at Alapako community. It's not as done it again. We're bringing to you guys another masterpiece, Oakwood Estate. Surrounded by different landmarks such as Macpherson University. We also have a Foursquare Camp at Ajibo, and also not too far from the Lagos Ibadan Expressway. Yeah, this is something you guys want to key in for, because it's really a masterpiece you will love. And saying that Oakwood Estate is going for a pre-launch price of 950,000 naira per plot, and we're having different square meters. We're having 300 SQM, and we're having 600 and as well as 500 SQM. So isn't this great? Please, I want you guys to key into these generational projects, of which you can make as a retirement investment and some other kind of investment, because this is going to be a big project.
Hello, our investors. I brought to you a new project in town, which is Oakwood Estate and Farms at Ajibo town in Ogun State. This is a fresh project for you, and I would want you to also be part of the early investors right here. This is a new project which I believe will also maximize and increase your investment portfolio. Now, right now, you can be an early investor there and invest with just 950,000 naira for one plot right there. And this is a very good place. You can see the road, which is going to be tarred. It's already just being graded now. It's going to be a tarred one, and which tells you that once you can have your investment opposite the tarred road, will surely increase your investment for you. And also we have Foursquare Camp not so far to here, and also we have Macpherson University not far away from here. And quite a number of great industries are coming up, right here. If a bomb project is going to be launched, not just beside this particular estate. So this is where you can have a secured investment, which will increase very fast for you. To get more details, call me. Let's help you have something here. Thank you.
Ẹ ǹlẹ́ ń bẹ̀ o. Ó ti pẹ́ tèmi àti ẹ ti máa ń gbọ́ pé ká má fọwọ́ mẹ́wẹ̀ẹ̀wá jẹun. Lọ́tẹ̀ yìí, mo wá láti fi tó yín létí gẹ́gẹ́ bí aṣojú iléeṣẹ́ Isnad Homes and Properties. Mo mọ pàtàkì kéèyàn ní dúkìá ilé àti ilẹ̀. Mo rọ̀ àwọn aláṣẹ àti olùdarí Isnad Homes and Properties láti jẹ́ kí ẹ̀dínwó olóṣù kan wà fún ilẹ̀ wa tó wà ní Shimawa tí à ń ta plọ́ọ̀tì kan ní 5.5 million naira tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ̀dínwó bá a fún tóṣù September láti September 1 sí September 30, 4.5 million naira péré lẹ́ra plọ́ọ̀tì kan. Ẹ̀ríkú ti dọbẹ̀. Àwọn tó mọ Shimawa mọ̀ pé agbègbè tó lọ́jọ́ iwájú gan ni o. Ẹ̀yìn Redeem Camp gangan ló wà. Kò jìnnà sékòó, ó súnmọ́ Ṣàgámù, ó rọrùn, ọ̀nà tó sì wọ agbègbè náà ó dáa gan-an. Débi pé ìròyìn ò táfojúbà ralẹ̀ síbẹ̀ lónìí. Kò mọ síbẹ̀ nìkan, ilẹ̀ wa tó tún wà ní orílẹ̀ òkò tó wà ní òpópónà Èkó sílùú Ìbàdàn. Ó jẹ́ ilẹ̀ kan tí ó wà fún oko dídá nítorí pé Isnad Homes and Properties mọ pàtàkì oúnjẹ láwùjọ wa. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀sìrè oníṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ wa. Bí a bá ṣe lóúnjẹ ó fi pọ̀ nílùú. Ilé-iṣẹ́ real estate tó mọ iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ níṣẹ́ tó sì jẹ́ wípé ilẹ̀ éka kan níbẹ̀ 2.1 million naira ní ẹ fi ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Lásìkò promo olóṣù September yìí, rí i dájú pé onídúkìá fowó rẹ̀ de dúkìá mọ́lẹ̀ ó lọ́jọ́ iwájú.
Isnad Homes and Properties, real estate tó fà kọyọ, wọ́n talẹ̀ ralẹ̀ lóríṣiríṣi. Isnad Limited, you are too much o. Ẹni bá mọ̀nà ló yẹ ká tẹ̀lé kó lè fi wá mọ̀nà. Isnad ló ní industrial land ó ń bẹ níbí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe commercial farming ẹ má bọ̀ wá. Àní bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ralẹ̀ láti ṣe real estate. Àbò fẹ́ nímọ̀ nípa bọ́ tí í ṣe. Ìrọ̀rùn ló bá dé nílé iṣẹ́ tiwa. Isnad Homes and Properties ó táwọn yọ ẹjọ́. Ilẹ̀ fún ilé gbígbé ń bẹ lọ́pọ̀ yanturu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá wà dòwò pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìfọkànbalẹ̀ ní. Torí agbóhùntẹ̀jọba àtúnjọ lóòótọ́. Torí náà let's build future through real estate. Jẹ́ngbọ́ Isnad Homes and Properties. Yeah. Real estate tó fà kọyọ. Wọ́n talẹ̀ ralẹ̀ lóríṣiríṣi. Tó jójúlówó. Isnad Limited, you are too much o.
Orúkọ mi ni Lékan Ọláwuyì tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Wákìlì. Òpàjẹ́ òní báyìí tí ò ní bàjẹ́ o. Tí ẹ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa àṣà ìṣe, ẹ lọ subscribe sí BEMBEYEKE TV ìyẹn lórí YouTube. Àbí kẹ́ lọ sí TikTok, kẹ́ lọ follow BEMBEYEKE comedy. Ẹ wò, ẹ̀yin mi láwo ń gbé bá subscribe síbẹ̀. Ẹ káre.